Let's go take a look at the Danby app now so we can see what it does. Here's my phone. I'm going to go to the store and I'm going to find the Danby app. There, we're at the store. Let's go into here, type in Danby and Danby AC remote. Yeah, so, there we go. So let's just choose Danby. It has a nice graphic on it. That's probably the real Danby one. Let's go click install. At least it has been verified by Play Protect, so it shouldn't be malicious. Let's click open. Note I'm going to ask me for an, yep, there it is, for an account. I know you'll all be shocked to find I don't have a Danby account, so let's click create account. And I'm going to skip through this so you can't see it. Okay, so we'll agree after careful consideration. So this, I only want to allow the Danby device to know where we are when we're using the app, not all the time. There we go. Now we click add device. And it's portable like window AC, and wait 5 seconds, already done. Press and hold the swing mode for more than 3 seconds. Okay. All right, so I've gone up to the device and I have pressed and held the swing mode button, and the display is now flashing the letters AP. Now I'll take my camera and I will scan the QR code on the side using the app here, and Badingo, let me get down to the side here, not in the back. Bingo, go. Okay, so we have to pop it on the Wi-Fi network of our house. Now, I'm going to make a mistake here, and I'm going to select Commodore 2.4 because that's my home network. But like a lot of home networks, I actually have two networks. I have a 2.4 gigahertz and a 5 gigahertz network. And that will not work with this situation. I need both my phone and the device to be on the same network. And the device, in this case, the air conditioner, only functions on 2.4 gigahertz. So I had to change my phone over to 2.4 gigahertz as well. So it was running on the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and then it started the setup. Now, something to note is in the video here, you're seeing it run through, and it does. But I had to run through it a bunch of different times. It just kept failing. Pre-configured appliances, it dropped a bunch of times. And also on the last item, phone switch to family WLAN, just your internet connection. So yeah, just take note of that, that was something that I had to run through multiple times before it actually finished. All right, so let's click on it and see what we get. So it's set to 20 degrees. Everything up here. We can set a sleep timer. So I assume it's a sleep timer, a little oddly. It didn't provide me with the ability to set one, so let's go into here. Okay, so there's your settings. Okay, on off. Fan mode. Oh, there's 3 modes on the fan. I did not understand that. Let's click it. It looks on the device like there's only 2, not 3. There we go. Let's set it back to low. It is swinging, and I want it in Celsius. Easy way to change it. And that's about it. If you have any questions or concerns, please get a hold of us at www.urtech.ca. Thank you. Bye-bye.